watch includes the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and the following counties: in Florida, Escambia, Okaloosa, and Santa Rosa, and the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, western Choctaw Bay, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 138 has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Monday for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and the following counties: in Florida, Escambia, Okaloosa, and Santa Rosa, and the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, western Choctaw Bay, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles.